In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags in Zendesk. If you're managing a volume of tickets and looking to organize them efficiently, adding tags can significantly streamline your workflow. Tags serve as labels that help categorize and filter tickets, allowing you to quickly find and sort through the enormous amounts of information available in Zendesk. So let's get started with adding tags to your tickets. First, you'll want to begin by accessing your Zendesk dashboard. Once you're there, navigate to the section for managing your tickets. If you're already familiar with this area, this should come as second nature. However, if you're new to the interface, take your time to explore and get comfortable with the layout. Being familiar with your dashboard will make locating and interacting with the different components much easier. Next, you'll need to click on Add Ticket. This is where you'll be inputting new information or making edits to existing tickets. This step is crucial as it prepares the ticket for the tagging process. Adding a new ticket or modifying a current one through this step is straightforward, and it sets the stage for the subsequent steps. So ensure you have selected the right ticket that you wish to tag. Once the ticket is ready, click on the Tag section. You'll typically find this option within the ticket interface. When you click on Tags, you'll see a field where tags can be added. This is where you will start brainstorming tags that are relevant to your ticket. Think about keywords or key phrases that best describe the issue or subject of the ticket. Clear and concise tags will make navigation much simpler in the long run, so try to choose tags that add genuine clarity and organization to your ticketing system. After you've brainstormed and decided on your tags, go ahead and type them into the provided field. As you type, you might notice some suggestions pop up based on previously used tags. This feature is incredibly handy as it maintains consistency across your tickets and can save you a ton of time. If a relevant tag already exists, you can select it, otherwise you can continue to create a new one. Finally, once you've entered all the desired tags, simply click on New to save your work. This step finalizes the tagging process, ensuring that your tags are properly attached to the ticket. Once saved, these tags will immediately help categorize and organize the ticket, making it easier for anyone in your organization to find and reference it later. That's it. You've successfully added tags to your Zendesk tickets. By using tags consistently, you ensure a more efficient and effective ticket management system, ultimately saving time and increasing productivity for you and your team. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to stay organized with your tagging strategy.